Hello and welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, where we tackle the random game and don't edit it. Hopefully we can learn a trick or two. Now, if you're new to this, there is a playlist on this channel. It's called Let's Play Solitaire with games just like today's. If you're looking for tips on how to get better, there's also a playlist in this channel called Solitaire Tips with tons of tips on how to get better. And of course, we'll maybe even cover some of those tips in this game today. Okay, the first thing I like to do is play columns. There's a move there. We can move this 5 here. And the reason I like to play columns first is that's usually the best option. Now, not always, but a lot of the time. There's nothing in the draw pile we can play yet, but we're going to be looking and searching for moves. This is not good. This is our first move. We're going to save this as insurance, and we're going to play anything behind that. We'll kind of use that as a marker. So another thing we want to do is open up a column, which we've done. And that's going to allow us to play any kings down below, so nothing there. The red king is kind of a king we want to play, because then we still have an open column. But I don't know if that's going to be something that's feasible. So this 2 is our insurance. We'll see if there's something behind. I kind of don't want to play that. Let me look behind here one more time. I'm going to hold off on that king. That's good. We get 2 of diamonds, 3 of diamonds, 4 diamonds. And if we have a red 5, if we find another red 5, we can move that there, but we can move this red 5 here anyway, so that's kind of good. We can open up this column with a heart. And good, we can open up another column. Does that lead us anywhere? Maybe. We got a jack right here, so we got a really lucky spot right there. And we haven't decided on the king yet, but we're going to get back to it at some point. So really good news here. This is our insurance card. That's huge. Being able to play this card is huge. We're not going to play it yet, but we're going to save it, and we're going to play other cards behind there. And that's really big because now we can bring this king down. Remember this king? We wanted the red king. We wanted the space. We got the space. That's huge. That greatly increases the chances of us solving this. Greatly. Not 100% though, but we're going to actually have a fighting chance here. So the question is, should I have brought this 10 down? And I'm starting to think the answer is no. But we have this insurance card. I think we're going to play this and see where this leads us. So we're playing the 3. That'll free up the 6. That'll free up the 10 of diamonds. But wait, we have a 10 here, don't we? Though, we could play this too. I'm debating here. We're going to free up the 7 here. 7 hearts is this card we're going to free up. We're going to play the 6 underneath it. And then we'll play the king in the subsequent round and play this queen underneath it. I think that's my line of thinking right now. Although it's always subject to change. There is this 10, 9, and 8 we can play. I think we'll play the 9 and 8 first, and then we'll do that sequence I just explained. So there we have there. Playing the 9 and 8 first. And then next time we'll play the 7, 6. And good thing we played that, because now we have 2 red queens and 1 king we can play under. So that's gonna give us a lot of more options. And maybe we can figure one of these options out. Maybe we can't. I don't know yet, but we're going to find out. Okay. So there's the 10. Or actually, we'll save that as insurance. We're going to play the 7 here first. Play the 6. We'll save that red 10 as insurance. Okay. Good news. Better news yet. We have another king. Another king. And that's going to lead us to an open column, hopefully. Yes, it does. Okay, we're looking good here. We're looking good here. Let's see where this queen goes. That queen gets us nothing. This queen gets us... I think that queen is a better option there, but we'll see. I think we also have this other king we can play. We should be able to play the king at some point. So let's go back again. Yep, we're going to play it right now, and we can play the queen there. So we're making progress. We're not there yet. We need to need to get this 6 of diamonds up here. That's going to be the challenge. And it could be a little harder than it looks. So let's start with the cards we can bring down. We can bring down this 10. I think we can bring this 9 or the 8 down, both the 8s down, right? Okay. So we need to find a 7, particularly a red 7, so we can get the 6 out of the way. And there's a red 7 there. But I think to get to that red 7, we only needed to move 1 card. So we're going to probably have to go back again and see. We're going to have to change it. Being able to maneuver the straw pile at the end of the game is just really critical. So let's go back here. Oh boy. So this is going to be tricky here. So we get this 10. We play this 8. We don't play this 8. We need to get to this 7. We're going to have to bring a card down to play. We're going to have to play this deuce. We'll move this 3 down to play the deuce. And then we'll get to the 7. So that's the plan. So here we are. There's our deuce. I'm going to bring the 3 down. Now we can play the 2. Now we can play the 7. Now we can play this 8. Now we can bring the 6 down. We can bring this 5 down. But more importantly, we can bring this 5 of spades up here. Now let's see if we still have this here. Okay. So one option is we could bring this down, but that doesn't lead us anywhere, I don't think. So that's telling us it's a dead end. Let's go back here. We need to figure out if there's a way to get this 6 of diamonds up here. But I think the problem is we pulled the 5 of spades, didn't we? We didn't have a card to play under the... We didn't have a red 6 to play under it. We have a red 6 here. Oh no, let's see. We have this option here. We have the 5 of diamonds. We're going to move over. We needed to move. Now it's bugging me here. We need to move the 6 of diamonds up to here. So I think really our only option, this is sad. I think our only option is to go way back. We need to figure out if we could put this 5 of clubs not where we had it. We can't put this 5 of clubs over the 6 of diamonds. We got to leave the 6 of diamonds open, and then we have to be able to play the 6 of diamonds up to here. I think that's the only way that may be feasible to solve this, because the other way just doesn't work. So I'm going to go back a little bit. I'm going to figure out where the 5 of clubs came from and put it back. So we're going to keep clicking back. Let's see where we're at. Nothing yet. May change strategy a little bit. We're so close, so close. That happens in a lot of these games here. So the 5 of diamonds needs, or 5 of clubs needs to go back. So 5 of clubs came from right here. So we can't move the 5 of clubs. We just can't touch that card. That's going to be the way we're going to have to approach this. We are going to want to key on where that 2 of spades is, I think. It's going to be critical. There's a 2 of spades, and there's no 2 of spades here. So a 4 of clubs is fine. We'll do that. We'll open up a column there. And I think that gets us to the ace of diamonds. I think. If I move 1 card, hopefully. Let's play a little faster here. So we'll move this 2 of clubs. Here I think that'll be okay. We'll play the 7, the 10, ace of hearts. We should have the ace. Oh no, I should not have put the 2 of clubs down. Time out. Okay, not going to put the 2 of clubs down. We're going to play the ace of hearts, ace of diamonds, 2 of diamonds, 3 of diamonds. And then we will... There's the 2 of spades. That was the important part, right? You got to get the 6 of diamonds out of here. That means we'll have to get this 5 of diamonds out. But I think we can maneuver. If we... I hope we don't have to take this 4 of clubs back. Yeah, we'll see here. So there's the 10. Oh, the other 10, we can play this too. So playing the 3 of spades. Uh-oh. Yeah, we need to get the 6 of diamonds up there. I might have to take this 4 of clubs back. I'm going to see if there's another way to get it out. If there isn't, that might be a problem. So let's just see how this plays out and see if we can figure this out. If we can't, we'll go back to the other route. So 10. There's a 7, 6. Another 10 there. We could play diamonds like so. Oh no, we can't play diamonds. What am I thinking? Alright, let's go back again and try this one more time here. And you can't play this 5 of clubs. That was the thing. Okay, so that's not working. We have to put this 4 of clubs back. So I'm going to back up a little bit. We're going to have to get the 6 of diamonds up. And then maybe we find a card, maybe we don't. So let's go back a little bit here. Go all the way back. Apologize. Okay, so play the ace. If you don't play the 4, this ace of diamonds should be the next card we see. So bear with me. Can play the 4 of diamonds there. There's the ace of diamonds. Okay. So 2 of diamonds, 3 of diamonds, 4 of diamonds, 5 of diamonds, 2 of hearts, spades, 6 of diamonds. And there's the ace of clubs. That's a big card for us. 4 hearts we can play. We could bring the 6 of diamonds down now. I think that might be an option. But you know what? I think there was a 6 of hearts there too. We're going to bring a 6 of hearts down probably. I think that might be the better move. Now we can start bringing the clubs down. So this might be an easy solve here. I apologize for taking so long the first time, but you know these ones are a little bit tricky, so we never go now here. So there we are. I'm going to play faster, and then if it doesn't work, we get caught speeding, so to speak. Then I'm just going to do it differently. And I think we're going to bring the 6 of diamonds down. Yeah, we want this 5 out of here. Yeah, I think we want that 5 out. Again, I can always take that move back. So let's see what we got here. There's a 6 there. Nothing there. Let's see. 9 we can play. That's good because now we can move the 8. I think we're going to solve this. I think, because that was really holding us up there. And now that we got that out of the way, I think our chances go way up here. Now, oh yeah, now we can put the 6 of diamonds up. Oh no, we don't want to do that because we have this 5 we can move. That's big. That's big because now we can move this 10 right here. This 10 was critical. Here's the king. Okay, great. We have 2 queen options, but we're going to play the 9 first. So this one, I think the better one was this one, if I remember correctly. So 4 of hearts, 5 of hearts. Now we can bring the club up to the foundation pile, and that one right there. Oh, now we can play the other queen. This one's looking good, looking good. We're going to get this solved here. The 8s can go. Yeah, we got it done. We got it done. That was a tough one. Well, we will have it done anyway. 6 of clubs. 6 of diamonds, 7 of clubs. We got this one done. So, yep. Actually, we'll just do this. Got it done. That was a tough one, but got it done. Tricky. again, there's no one specific way to solve it. I mean, some methods work better than others, but the thing is, one method does not work 100% of the time. You got to be flexible if you want to be able to get some of these solved. And this is an exceptional game in terms of you have to change your strategy to be able to solve it versus the basic strategy we use. And if you like this sort of thing, like I said, there's a playlist called Let's Play Solitaire, games just like today's. If you're looking for tips on how to get better, there's a playlist called Solitaire Tips. But hopefully we had enough tricks in here that show you different ways to solve this. Anyway, that's going to wrap this up. I'd like to thank you for watching and wish you